Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Shaquita, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. On today we will be creating this eye look only for this video. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then please stay tuned and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Okay you guys, so let's kick this video right into gear. I have already did my eyebrows, so that'll cut down on some time for today's video. And what I'm going to do, I am going to prep my eyelids here on camera. The reason why is because I am going to be using the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer. Is in the shade Chiffon. Now let me give you a little background. I initially ordered the shade, I want to say almond or chestnut, one of those, because I wanted for today's video was seeing how the concealer performs. So I was getting a shade concealer that complements my skin complexion. But they sent me the shade Chiffon, which is like basically like the color of paper. So rather than going through all the hoopty-doopty, I just said, okay, I'll just use the concealer as my eyeshadow primer. So I just want to give you a little background of that. They sent me the wrong shade, so but I'll probably go back and buy another one, but the correct shade. I had been hearing awesome things about the concealer, so I'm just a teeny bit disappointed, but it's all good. We're just gonna work with what we got. And I'm just gonna buff my concealer out. This is a no-name brush that I got from Big Lots, and I thought it would be good for blending out the concealer on my eyelids. Okay, so that didn't blend it out like I wanted to, so I'm going to go in with a different brush. And this one is the BH Cosmetics 138 brush, and it comes into a set. Okay, so now that we have our eyelids primed, now I am going to use my M421 brush by Morphe. I am going to dip into that purple shade that I showed you, and we are going to pack that shade onto the outer V. Okay, and once you have that shade packed on to your liking, then I am going to buff out the edges, the top edges of that shade with my Morphe M506 brush, which looks like And then you want to get your brush nice and clean, your M421. And then we're going to pack on the next shade. And what we're doing with the 421 brush, we're going to apply it, pack that shade right along the side of the purple shade. Once you do that, we're going to get clean the M506 brush again, and we're going to buff out those. The next step, again with the M421 brush, we're going to pack on the last shade, which is this one right here. And now with my M213 brush, I am going to apply this shade above the eyebrow bone. So off camera, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some liner and lashes, and I'm going to do the other eye. Okay, beauty, so this is all for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoy what you saw. If so, please feel free to give me a thumbs up. Again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Shaquita, and feel free to click the subscribe button. We would love to have you over here, and I will see you guys on our next video. Talk to you later. Bye.